What up, guys? Welcome to an all-new P&D Found Treasures video. Thank you guys for stopping by, checking us out. I know it's been a while.
It's been a long time.
It's been a very long time. We almost forgot how to do all this.
He's a busy man, that's why.
Very busy. Holiday season at the post office kept me pretty busy. Things are finally kind of getting back to normal. But, so if you saw the last video we did, which was like a month ago, I think.
Yeah, it was the coin.
Yeah. So we're still waiting to get that coin back. The last we heard, they are still processing it. They already took their fees and everything, so we should be getting it back. I believe the last email I got from them, it was shipped, so we should be getting that one back pretty soon, hopefully. So stay tuned for that video, because we're excited about that one. If you didn't check that video out, Daniel, while he was going through the storage unit that we won back Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
God, almost into February. Dang. He was going. What was it? You were going through the toys, and he found a 1943 steel penny. So
we decided just to ship it in and see what it.
Yeah, pretty much.
A lot of people say it wasn't worth nothing, but
we just decided to see. We decided to educate ourselves, so if we even do find coins or something that needs to be graded, at least we kind of have an idea of what we're doing. So, I mean, in the educational side of things, it's going to be worth it. Who knows?
And the update on the storage unit. If you didn't see that video, you can go back and see all the stuff.
Yep.
Man, we've been selling stuff left and right. We sold the cabinets. We sold the microwave that was in there. The refrigerator that was in there. What else? Clothes that we found. Yep. Been selling.
A lot of furniture.
Furniture. Shoes. The shoes that you saw. If you go back and look at that video, you see all the shoes that we have in there. I sold some shoes already. It's almost gone, and I think it's going to be yard sale time to get rid of the rest.
Yeah, we're just having some issues with the grandfather clock. I think there's a couple other things in there.
We did sell, there was a watch in there I sold for $115 on eBay, and lady decided didn't want it. So yeah, we'll just leave it at that with eBay right now.
Yeah, we'll have to discuss that in another video.
Yeah, it's just very unfortunate that people can say they don't like something and send it back.
Yeah, but so we'll leave that one for another video. We have been buying some stuff on highbid.com. If you don't know HighBid, I'll put the link in the description below. It's a auction website. Basically, it's online estate auctions. You can go on there, bid on some stuff, try to get some stuff fairly cheap. If you check in, actually, another one of our videos, I go over HighBid, how to look for auctions and stuff. So check that video out too if you're interested. If not, just click the link below and you can go check out HighBid. The last shipment that we got, we did really well on. I think we're gonna do really well on. I got these. I think I paid. What did we pay? I want to say I paid $23 for these. It's D. Martin Variety Show DVDs. 16 of them are brand new, factory sealed. 2 of them have been opened, but the discs were actually in really excellent shape when I checked them out. Those, I have them listed for, I think, $75. But the good thing about those is they're DVDs. They qualify for the media shipping rate, so you can ship them. I believe it told me it was going to be like $5.95, $6 to ship all of those. So that's going to be pretty good. The only drawback with the media rate is it does take about 5 to 7 days to normally get to where it's going. Can't tell what I do for a living, huh? And then I also picked up 2 of these. There are the wow, Lego. I'm not quite awake yet. Mindstorm Education. This is the 9797 series. This one's actually open. It's missing pieces, but I paid $35 and I won 2 of these in a lot. I actually have the other one listed already because it's brand new. Everything's factory sealed, so I listed that one for $215. This one should go up today probably for 100 to 125 with some missing pieces. So I mean,
some don't want them.
That's some real good serious money right there for
3 items.
Stuff. But the main thing that y'all have been coming on here to check out this video for is we actually have another box. This one that I just got, I think I spent $183 on everything that's in this box. It's all autographed items, all autographed sports items. Well, not all autographed, but it's a majority of autographed sports items. I can't remember what else I got in here, but I know there is quite a few. It's a 30-pound box. So we're going to crack this thing open. We've been waiting for you guys. We almost did it last night, but it was a long day. Just to say the least. If you know Southern California traffic, then you know what I'm talking about.
Somebody called Jim Beam and Jack got involved too.
Oh, that's right. I forgot about that. Alright, I'm going to start out with a smaller item on purpose. That's the invoice. So, this is something me and Daniel haven't sold. I'm sorry. Somebody was getting yelled at. This is something that we haven't sold in a while.
Yeah. It's been a while since we...
It's going to take Daniel back. There it is. Man, they did an incredibly good job of packaging everything. I am very impressed.
Yeah.
Some of these auction companies...
Yeah, oh, that one's nice. That's just awesome for good money.
You know what this is? If you're like me, you know what it is. This is a Michelob beer tap handle. If you see these guys, pick them up.
Yeah.
We picked a couple up for $5 a piece at a swap meet, and we ended up selling them around $25-30 a pop. They will sell. That one looks old and vintage, though.
Yeah, this one's nice.
Yeah. I lost out on the other one. That was the second one that I lost out on. But that's okay. Oh, I forgot about those, too. Oh, my God.
Oh, that's nice. They put everything in nice. Oh, that's nice. And it came with a hanger and everything.
Is this what I think it is? Oh, where's the autograph? This one is autographed.
Which one's that one?
This one. Another one. If you see these are WWE wrestling shirts. Actually, this one's not WWE, but they made this shirt. You can tell.
Oh, it's right here.
Yeah, I want to look at it. I'm not sure.
Looks like his autograph.
It looks like that says Ric Flair, the leader of the Four Horsemen. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's what that says.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys can see that down there. But I'm pretty sure that says Ric Flair, leader of the Four Horsemen. Now,
there's no COA.
There's no COA. That's my rookie mistake.
No, it's not a rookie mistake because that looks legit.
It does look legit.
That don't look like somebody tried to do some fake stuff on it.
That's true. And what I could tell from the auction site, is that a full-size helmet? Holy crap, that is a full-size
All you got to do
helmet.
is really go to eBay and look up Ric Flair's autographs, and they should be on there.
But from what I could tell, looking at the guy's stuff on this auction, that's the greatest football team ever. It looks like a lot of his stuff, he went to a lot of card shows, a lot of events, and got a lot of his stuff signed in person. This one I bought for myself. I'm not going to lie. It's supposed to be autographed somewhere. Oh, it is. Right up here at the top. I have to look up and see who it is. But it's autographed by number 29. I think that's Champ Bailey of the greatest football team ever, my Denver Broncos. Even though we didn't make it to the playoffs or very far this year. But that's going to stay in my office.
Cool. What is that? That's cool. Oh, that's the...
That's the, that's the expensive Buku Bucks thing right there.
Well, let's pull this then since it's not in
Go ahead, pull that out.
This is a Mike Messina.
Uh-huh.
Now that, I guess.
It's a Baltimore Oriole Mike Messina.
Yeah.
It's signed right here. You barely see it, but it is signed.
Yeah, we're going to have to do, go on eBay and look at his autograph.
Guy had a nasty knuckle curveball.
Yeah.
But hey, who doesn't love a starting lineup action figure?
Yeah, autograph.
Old school, man. Old school. Let me save these to the end. Let me get this big thing out. Oh, no, let's say this.
We just go like this. So I'll just take them out over here.
Daniel told me to bid on this. Okay.
Oh, that's nice.
Everybody know who this is?
Got it.
Anybody know? Anybody know? Anybody know? Anybody know? Hendrick Sports. His name's on the back.
It's a Jimmie Johnson.
Jimmie Johnson football jersey.
One of the greatest races around. In my opinion.
Brand on it. Oh, it's Chase Authentics too.
Yeah, that was my guy right there. He was just a bad boy.
Officially licensed. I love that word. Officially licensed. It's a good word.
That's gonna go for some big bucks.
Yeah, go for a couple.
It's another one?
There's 3 of them. Check that out. Look how heavy that thing is.
I didn't know you bought this one. This is nice. This is Lowe's.
And I only paid a couple bucks a piece, dude.
And a Hendrix on it.
And it's Chase Authentic too.
Yeah. It's in good condition.
What do you think?
Yep, that should go for about maybe anywhere from 75 to 100.
Half the time he doesn't know when I buy stuff anyway. He's always like, what the hell did you get us into now?
Baby one? Oh no, that's not. That's a nice Jimmie Johnson.
Mm-hmm. Guy's name on the back.
That might fit me. That's nice. That should go for some decent money.
I think this one I'm keeping for myself too.
Got it?
I gotta open it up and flip this thing over. This thing's old too. It's faded.
Alright, let me
Has some issues.
put all the stuff back here.
I'm trying to pop this thing open, guys. Bear with me.
Let's check the pockets. Maybe there's some money.
Bear with me. It's gotta be flipped over.
Second. There we go. It's back in.
This is nice that it came in the. Oh, maybe I just have it the wrong friggin' way.
Oh, that's all the pieces. That thing's falling apart.
Yeah, it's that old helmet. We'll have to get the junk pieces out of there. But this... Bobby Clark signed it? Holy crap. I didn't see that. I know Dave Schultz signed it. Bernie Perrant.
Dang.
If y'all don't know those names... This is a helmet.
This is right here, on this side.
Oh, yeah. There you go. It's got the list of names. This hockey helmet, which I'm going to clean all those pieces out that are deteriorating. He went on a hockey carnival. I think it's supposed to be flipped.
He must have had that by the sun or something.
Yeah. Scotty Upshaw. He's got this thing labeled. That's awesome.
Yeah, Phil's a big hockey fan if you don't know by now.
Rick.
Well, he was named after one of the...
Bernie Perrant. Bobby Clark. Riley Cote. Jesus. I have to keep this for myself now. This is signed by some of the Broad Street Bullies. The AKA the 1970s Philadelphia Flyers. They played a rough style of hockey. Basically, they would just beat the crap out of whoever played them. Look it up. Those videos are awesome.
Alright. And the other ones...
Oh, yeah. Go for it.
We can get them open.
These are, I believe, very, very vintage.
Yeah.
Let Daniel do some opening for once.
These are the salt and pepper shakers?
Yeah. Made in China.
These might be repops.
They got the plugs in them too.
Yeah.
You think they're repops?
They look like it.
I don't know, dude. They're pretty old. We'll still list them together.
Yeah, well, yeah. But they do look like... They don't look like the old vintage ones. It might be.
What do you mean though? Like, what's the...
We'd have to...
what do you look for in like the old vintage ones so you know?
Yeah,
Like, I mean, besides...
I don't think they were made in China, though.
Besides the obvious markings that would be on the bottom of these.
Yeah, usually I don't know where the originals were made. So, maybe they were. But we just have to look them up and see.
Yeah. But what these are the salt and pepper shakers, and what is that one?
This one's broken.
Is that what that one is?
Nope.
Yeah.
I don't know what the heck it is. But whatever it is, it's lost its bottom. Here. It's supposed to go down here somewhere.
Is it, or does it go on this side? Because I thought it was
No, there's 2 holes.
Oh, okay. I don't know what that's for. but they all go together. We'll have to look them up. It's supposed to be Aunt Jemima. If you didn't know that already.
Yeah, it's down here somewhere.
Looks like napkin. I don't know, but we'll get these listed and we'll see. So, the beer tap, the Aunt Jemima thing, probably the Mike Mussina.
The jerseys, the Jimmie Johnson stuff is all pretty good.
Well, I'm just thinking that these three like regular items will probably be up on the P&D eBay. I think it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
The clothing more than likely will probably be on both the eBay and the Macari, but we'll see.
Yeah.
I gotta clean up this helmet, so. But all in all, not too bad of a score from this.
Little haul that he got.
Yeah, from that auction. Dang.
Well, so we have to do some homework.
Yeah, we do. But thank you guys for checking it out. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below. Help us grow this channel. We're trying to grow it. We're trying to be able to inspire y'all and help ourselves grow all at the same time. So please, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for checking us out.